In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play LEGO Marvel Super Heroes 2 player. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly do co-op gameplay on LEGO Marvel Super Heroes. This is going to work for the original game and also LEGO Marvel Super Heroes 2, so the sequel. Regardless of which game you are playing, you will be able to play between you and your friends together. So, for the story mode of LEGO Marvel Super Heroes 2, you will be able to do it alongside someone else. To do this, just connect an additional controller to any platform where you are playing the game. So, regardless if you are on PC, consoles such as Nintendo Switch, PlayStation, or Xbox, you just have to connect an additional controller. Upon doing this, you will get the prompt to press any button on the additional controller, and the secondary player is going to join immediately. Split screen is going to start, and you will be able to set it up however you prefer. Now, you will be able to go through the entirety of the storyline for LEGO Marvel Super Heroes 2 and play through co-op. Now, you can also do up to 4 players if you go over to battle mode. So instead of going over to the storyline, you can switch over to battle mode, and in there you can connect up to 3 additional controllers to the same platform where you are playing. By doing this, each of you will be able to join, choose your character, and start playing through the battle mode mini games. It is another way to play, and it can be very fun, especially if you get 4 people on the same platform. Keep in mind that the game does not feature any sort of online multiplayer, so you can only do 2-player or more if you connect additional controllers to the same platform. But by doing this, the game is natively going to work. You will get split screen if you are doing this on story mode, or you will be able to do battle mode altogether if you connect multiple controllers and you go in there instead of story. I hope I was able to help you on how to play LEGO Marvel Super Heroes 2 player. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.